Hi, I'm Brian Komer with HMY Yacht Sales. Welcome aboard my 2015 70 Viking, the Pipe Dreamer. I hope you enjoy the tour.
The 2015 Viking Yachts 70 Convertible Sportfish Pipe Dreamer's aggressively raked stem, featuring more than 8 feet of freeboard forward, is designed to make a small workout of those big head seas typically encountered offshore. Likewise, the freeboard is a subtle indication of the significant headroom beneath the flush foredeck in this 70 convertible. The sheer line is pure sweetness that tapers aft to 3 feet of freeboard in the cockpit. Curves also highlight and accentuate the 208 square foot cockpit on this Viking 70 Sportfish. With its observation mezzanine that provides ample stowage, multiple freezers, an insulated refrigerated drink box in the salon entrance step, plenty of drawers, and engine room access. The lower cockpit provides a sizable fish box, a stowage compartment, and a transom fish box live well. Other upgrades on this 70 Viking convertible are VC offshore bottom paint for increased speed, removable fair leaf for the anchor, Willy vac system for ease of cleaning, Spot Zero water maker, new transformers, new Eskimo ice chipper that dumps into the port fish box, Ghost Watch HD security system, Seakeeper M26. MTU extended protection until March 2021 or 3,300 hours.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed your walkthrough of the 2015 70 Viking, the Pipe Dreamer. If you have any further questions, please call me at 305-304-1015, or you can email me at bkomer@hmy.com. Thank you.